Alright, so stoked here to bring my second video on the MAXPEDITION Beefy. So this thing is far and away one of the best tool pouches I own. Fatty was awesome. This thing is even better. You can get your full size tools in there and it's just great. But I wanted to challenge myself. Can I actually use this as an everyday carry pouch, as an EDC pouch for EDC stuff? Now, of course, this pouch is got MAXPEDITION quality. Again, thanks to MAXPEDITION for sending this out to me. It's got the 1050 denier nylon, YKK zips. You got the mounted attachments on the back for the back. Hook it up to a backpack. You know, you got your area for your pet. It's just awesome. Yeah, but still the only thing I'm on the fence about with any pouch are these front pockets. Now, I've used it on the Fatty for a tape measure, but I haven't used it here. But time will tell. I do use them from time to time, but it's definitely not my most used pocket. All right, so as the title says, where's the beef? So the challenge was in this form factor. You know, this size, great. This, well, generally your everyday EDC stuff is generally flatter stuff, and it doesn't eat up that much space. So I'm like, how do I use this? Well, let's take a look. So as we get into this thing, so I like, what better? I've got the large platy. I've got another one on order for Christmas, or I don't have it on order. Gave it to the in-laws for a gift idea, so I'm sure it's already on order. So we'll have another platy to fill out because this one happens to be my pocket platy, but I wanted to do proof of concept. So kind of ignore the tools in here. I mean, it's actually a pretty good tool set for it, but I just wanted to do this as a proof of concept to play around with it in the future. So, but also to give everybody out there some ideas as well. So you are going to still have to do the whole Tetris thing with you do with any pouch. So since I built my platy a little chunkier with the multi-tool full-size knife, got the bit kit inside, you know, stuff on the front. This thing is a beast in the pocket, but it works wonderful. I kind of went a little lighter here. This actually is bulking it up a little bit, this flashlight. But yeah, I went with kind of flatter tools on here. You know, the precision screwdriver, the in-charge USB adapter. Just got a very generic flashlight here, slide winder. I think that's outdoor edge too. And then I've got the players here, power pint, crescent wrench, outdoor edge, S3. It's the one with the replaceable blades. It's actually a knife slash utility knife. I actually got that on sale super cheap at Walmart on clearance. Same with the power pint. And then under here, I just have, why not, duct tape and a boo-boo kit. But the cool thing is the flexibility in this Beefy pouch. The fact that it's thick enough that you can get the full-size tools, you can get the toolkit. Not sure which I'm going to ultimately land on, toolkit or everyday carry pouch, but it's got the flexibility to not just be a toolkit, can also be that everyday carry pouch. And just pretty simply by laying a platy in there. Now with the 4x6, I think it's 4x6 platy, work better than the 5x7, possibly, but I mean it's all up to you. How do you want to load it out? It's just a super versatile pouch. It's not just a tool pouch. It can be whatever you want to make it. So yeah, definitely take a look at the MAXPEDITION Beefy, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like, subscribe, it'd really help out the channel and be much appreciated. Take care.